Hey guys, welcome back to our repair, guys. Today we'll be working on the Fiesta, guys, and more than 200 videos coming on this one, as you know, because we'll be taking the whole thing apart. If you need anything, let us know. We made quite a few videos, but today we'll show you how to remove and replace the lever for the windshield wipers. If your windshield wiper lever doesn't work, okay, we'll show you guys how to remove and replace it. We're talking about, okay, this one right here. So this is the new one. It's not very complicated procedure to replace them at all, and you can do it with minimal disassembly. So stay with us and we'll show you how to do that now. So you don't need anything special, but we'll be using panel removal tools because we don't want to scratch our steering wheel plastic here. What you need to do, you need to make sure that you unlock the steering column and you need to push it down and all the way towards you. Then you can go ahead and lock it. Okay, and now with the trim removal tool, okay, we're going to go ahead and pop that thing open. Okay, watch how easy it is with that thing. Okay, we have two clips here and we have the same thing on the other side. Okay, perfect, just like that. We can set it on the back side now. So this is the windshield wiper lever right here now, guys. And there is one tooth holding right here, this tooth. So what you need to do, we need to get a plastic trim removal tool. Okay, we have the set here. We'll have the tools in the description of the video. So you need to press it towards away from the lever. Okay, and next step, you need to grab the lever, okay, and pull it up. Now it's really tricky about the cable. Cable is very short, but in order to do it, you can do it without taking anything else apart. Otherwise, you have to remove the airbag, the steering wheel, to remove that plastic, and it's still not worth it. So this is the cable now. Right here on this side there is, okay, one tooth that we need to press in to release. I'm going to show you once I do it. Okay, let me show you now. Okay, this is the wire. This is the tooth, okay, that you press in here and you pull them out. Okay, and you can see, guys, this is the lever, okay, right here. So let's go ahead and put it together now. So now I'll get my new lever. Okay, you need to grab the wires here now. Okay, like that. You need to hold it with your fingers and you need to, it's really tricky now, to be honest with you. Okay, and when you hold it with your fingers, it goes only one way. Okay, and once you start it, okay, you need to get the lever tool now. You need to support it on the bottom. Okay, and push it in until it clicks. So you can see the wire is all the way in. Next you need to find the canals, okay, and you need to push it in, okay, until it clicks, okay, just like that. So stay with us to see if it's going to work now. And after that, the only thing that we have left here, we have a couple of teeth to get the trim, okay, in place. You have to do both sides at the same time. Okay, this side didn't go in. Okay, perfect. Now you can bring your steering wheel down if you need to. Okay, now let's check if the lever works. Okay guys, so we're ready to test it now. We're going to turn the ignition on. Okay, let's see if the lever works now, if the windshield wipers will work. Okay, perfect. You can see it works great. Let's see if the pump works as well. Yep, right there. So that's how you replace it, guys. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, many more videos to come, and see you next time.